I think we won reality show of the year for The Voice Kids Season 2. So maraming salamat po sa PEP for choosing us with this one. I know that our voice has been heard, but we expect that we're not gonna stop there.
Okay.
Kasi we'll give you nothing but the best, second to none. And you will just expect great performances. Kasi ang layunin po namin, ipakita at iparinig po ang galing at husay ng mga Pilipino.
Malapit na ang grand finals ng The Voice, no?
Yes po.
Oo. Gano'n
With this format, ibang-iba
ibang
kasi before we usually get our 4 top contenders, ngayon tag-isa-isa na lang pambato. So parang kanina sa live semifinals, nagmukha siyang finals for each team. And right now, may kanya-kanya pambato na ang ating coach. Pero ako, mahirap eh. It might be Coach Leia, Coach Bamboo, or Coach Sharon.
Parang kasi nabibitinan yung iba, parang ang bilis daw masyado.
Matagal na po kami. Mayroon na po kami for almost 3 months.
3 months na,
3 months lang. Hindi lang masyado nahalata kasi maraming panibagong dinagdag for The Voice.
Robbie, I'll just get your reaction about this. No? Natatanong kasi si Luis about may mga issue kasi lumalabas na parang ginagaya mo rin yung hosting style ni Luis. What is your reaction on that?
Well, I can't blame the people telling me those kasi ang nagturo naman sa akin kung paano talaga magsalita from the beginning. After PPB, I always stutter. Diretso po ako, sakto, salang sa mix. At ang nagturo po sa akin talaga si Luis Manzano and Andre Felix. So, kayo na pa ako kukuha at uhugot ng mga learnings, kundi sa kanila. At patuloy po akong natututo sa kanilang dalawa at nilang doon sa mga kasama like Tony Gonzaga, Bianca Gonzalez, John Prats, even the actors like si Coco Martin, tinuturuan ako paano magsalita.
Pero sabi naman ni seryoso yun?
Oo, even sila Daniel Padilla, teaches me na, seryoso.
Okay.
It may not be in terms of hosting, pero tungkol sa pag-deliver ng mga lines. Kasi sila actor, kailangan hugot ng puso eh.
Okay, sabi naman ni Luis, thankful naman daw siya kasi you're very open in saying na parang you look up to naman talaga sa kanya.
Yeah. He's an icon, di ba? So, matindi lang talaga ang pressure na napupunta sa akin. Kasi, I'm coming from one of the best ones in the Philippines when it comes to talking in front of the public. So, ako, ngayon, especially, I'm turning 27 next month, mas lalo ako nagugutom. Looking at him every single day in ABS-CBN sa mga programa, mas lalo ako nagugutom at na-encourage na galingan pa.
Pero wala kang pambabash at naranggap mula sa mga fans ni Luis? Or...
Wala naman. Coming from the fans of Kuya Luis, na-appreciate nga nila na sinasabi ko na siya talaga ang idol ko when it comes to hosting. Pero andun yung desire ko na someday, somehow, makuha rin yung mga nakukuhang lessons si Kuya Luis sa buhay.
Robbie, sa tingin mo, gano'ng kakaiba yung hosting mo from Luis? Or gano'ng kayo ka?
So nakita mo?
Well, si Kuya Luis kasi, he's more of, he makes it about him, which hindi naman nakaka-asar, alam mo yun? Kunyari, so sabihin niya, sobrang gwapo ko. But people often see it as his charm.
You're right.
Me, I would say, I'm the captain of the ship. I ship lots of love teams. Kaibigan ko lahat ng mga love teams, and I could tell anyone their secrets without offending the love teams.